So March 22, last Saturday, kumain kami dito. House of Bustek and Bulalugaw. Since first time namin dito, tinanong namin kung ano yung bestseller nila. Here's their menu. You can pause to read. Sa beef pares, pwedeng mixed meat and tendon. Anyway, ang suggested sa amin is yung beef pares paired with adobo rice. Sarap ng rice nila kahit walang ulam. Yung rice lang masarap na. Lasang-lasa yung pork sa rice and hindi tinipid yung pork bits. Sa beef pares, mix beef meat and tendon. Hindi siya nakakaumay. Sakto lang yung amount ng meat at tendon. Ayan, close up natin para matakam kayo. By the way, libre lang din pala yung sabaw nila. Hingi lang kayo. They're located at Promenade Mall at Green Hills Shopping Center. Nasa ground floor sila near Bonchon, gano'n. Before I end the video, add ko lang na super attentive ng staff and super helpful and friendly nila. So, ayun. Sana natakam kayo at kumain kayo dito. Okay, thanks for watching.